Let's solve this question. This is the previous topic question which I already discussed, and I assigned this question as a homework. So let's see this solution. I wrote this solution. In this question, there are basically 4 AND gates and 2 OR gates. So these 4 OR gates output is going through this 2 OR gates. Okay. So in here, this wire acting as a output for this AND gate and input for this OR gate. So we can declare this wire as a wires, right? So wire I wrote wire W1, W2, W3 and W4. Here I mentioned those things: wire W1, W2, W3 and W4. Okay, and we are using data flow modeling. So I am using assign statement. Assign W1 equal to AND of these inputs P1A, P1B and P1C. So I wrote here assign W1 equal to P1A and P1B and P1C. Similarly, I wrote for W2, W3 and W4, and after that W1 and W2 is passing through this OR gate. So assign P1Y equal to OR of W1 and W2. So I wrote here assign P1Y equal to W1 or W2. Okay, so this is the solution for that question, and I run this solution and successfully it has run. So let's move to the next topic, that is vector, and solve vector based questions. Okay, so here some little bit theory has given. So here it is mentioned that wire 19 down 0 my vector. So any vector we can declare like this. So this is a my vector, this is the 100-bit vector, a 100-bit vector. Okay, so that's why it's written like this, 19 down 0. And if we want to specify any bit, then we can write like this, vector name and any that specific bit. Okay, so in this way we can easily assign any vector and we can give those vector value to the other variable or other port. Okay, so let's solve this question. So in this diagram, 3-bit input vector is given. 2 down 0 means 0, 1, 2, 3 bits, right? And at the output side, we have this 3-bit output out V. This is one of the output, and these are the 1-bit outputs, 1-bit 3 outputs. Okay, so here for this out V, we have to assign all 3 bits. Okay, and for this O2, O1 and O0, we need to assign vector wake 2, means whatever the input second bit. Okay, this wake 2, wake 1 and wake 0 respectively we need to assign. Okay, so let's write this code here. Assign out V 2 down 0 equal to wake 2 down 0. Next, assign O2 equal to wake second bit we need to assign here. Similarly, for assign O1, assign O1 equal to wake first bit. Here assign O0 equal to 0th bit. Okay, so in this way we can assign for this each output. Let's check it. So this code runs successfully and there is no error. Okay,